Multiple media outlets are reporting that Amber Heard apparently threatened to publicly serve Johnny Depp with a restraining order if he did not allow her to continue living rent-free in his 3 LA penthouses and to keep her black Range Rover after she filed for divorce. This was also revealed in court exhibits from the former couple's defamation trial. Back on Wednesday, jurors were shown a letter that Amber's attorney had sent to Johnny's legal team in May of 2016, just days after she filed for divorce to end their marriage after a fight in their home. Heard used her lawyers to issue a list of financial and property demands, with Amber promising to keep the matter out of the spotlight as long as her requests were granted. As I mentioned earlier though, those requests were the exclusive use and possession of the black Range Rover that she drove, with Depp continuing to make payments on the vehicle, which is just insane. She also wanted to live rent-free in all 3 of his penthouses that she and her friends were staying in, all of which were owned by Johnny Depp. Plus, she wanted her estranged husband to cover around $125,000 of her legal and accounting fees. The letter requesting this was also entered into the trial as evidence and truly shed a light on the tactics that she used during the breakdown of their marriage. Samantha Spector, Heard's attorney at the time, sent the letter titled "In Regards Marriage of Depp" to Depp's lawyer Jacob Bloom on May 24, 2016, requesting the actor's cooperation in the divorce. 3 days before that, the couple had their final argument where she claimed that he hit her with a mobile phone. Spector stated that Heard had not yet filed for a temporary restraining order against Depp and wished to keep the incident from the public. In the letter, Spector states, "Although Amber is afraid of Johnny, she strongly insists that we do everything possible to keep this personal matter out of the media spotlight, which is why she has not yet sought a DVTRO and why we did not arrange for Johnny to have been personally served at last night's movie premiere." At the time, Johnny Depp was out promoting his 2016 Disney film called Alice Through the Looking Glass, in which he starred as the Mad Hatter. And as I'm sure you saw in that first portion of the paragraph from that letter, she stated that the altercation was not the first incident of domestic violence perpetrated by Johnny against Amber, adding that there were 2 other incidents in the last 6 months. She also continued to insist in the letter that Amber wished to work towards a private and amicable resolution and requested Depp sign the acknowledgement of the divorce within 3 days, and apparently threatened to file a TRO if he did not comply. That portion of the letter says, "Amber wishes to work quickly towards a private and amicable resolution of all matters, but she will need Johnny's immediate cooperation to do so. To this end, please have Johnny promptly sign and return by Friday, May 27, 2016, the enclosed notice and acknowledgement of receipt form confirming service of the summons, petition, family law case cover sheet, and blank response. If the requested notice is not signed and the original executed form is not returned to me by May 27th, we will have no alternative but to arrange for Johnny to be personally served." The letter then laid out her list of demands, which was framed as light support. In addition to taking the black Range Rover that she wanted Depp to continue making payments on, the letter listed her other demands as exclusive use and possession of 849 South Broadway, penthouse number 1, 3, and 5, with Johnny to continue to pay mortgage, utilities, etc. associated therewith, and a contribution towards her reasonable and necessary attorney fees in the amount of $100,000 and $25,000 for forensic accounting costs to be paid to my firm by close of business on May 27, 2016. Although it is not clear how Depp's legal team responded to all of this, the day after the letter was sent, the first reports about the divorce started to emerge, which had actually gone unnoticed for 3 days. Heard would then proceed with her temporary restraining order against Depp on May 27th and included a photo of her allegedly bruised face in the filing. But I'd love to hear your thoughts on all of this though, because that's all the time that we have for today. So stay classy, and I'll see you on the next one.